This 2020 Entegra Coach Emblem 36T is a Class A RV. It is located in Ashland, Virginia, 23005 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2020 Entegra Coach Emblem 36T is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.